In this video, I'm sharing my tips and secrets for visiting the American Express's Centurion Suite at Crypto.com Arena in Los Angeles. It's going to be worth your time, so do me a favor. Smash that like button, click that subscribe button, and click that notification bell to get notified when new content drops. This is the House of OB, and without further ado, let's get right into it. The Centurion Suite is open to American Express Platinum or Centurion card members with a valid ticket for that evening's game, whether that be for Lakers and Kings games as well as for Clippers games until they move into their new arena. Unfortunately, the suite is not open for Los Angeles Sparks games, nor is the suite open for concerts or any other type of events. Admission is limited to about 150 people per event. Cardholders can bring up to 3 guests. Admissions into the Centurion Suite currently comes with 2 free drinks, alcoholic or non-alcoholic, but food items on the menu come at a cost. There is an American Express card member entrance located on the northwest side of the arena near the cross streets of Georgia Street and Chick Hearn's Court. You can see where the American Express entrance is located on this map on the top left, right off of Chick Hearn's Court. But if you get there early enough, I recommend do not use it. This brings me to my first tip. Use the Star Plaza entry to make your way to the Centurion Suite. Look for the statue of hockey great Wayne Gretzky, and Star Plaza entry is just behind it. You can see on this map that the Star Plaza entry is much closer to the VIP entrance inside, which is where everyone has to go who want to get into the Centurion Suite. Here is an older map illustrating this point internal to the arena. If you were to enter at the American Express entrance, you would still have to walk by the Star Plaza entry and then get in line to get your American Express ticket to then get your wristbands and then enter into the American Express Centurion Suite. Again, you're going to want to look out for that statue of Wayne Gretzky, and you'll know that you're in the right place at Star Plaza entry. Also, notice there's 5 sets of doors in which you can get entrance for quicker access. All the arena's entrances open 90 minutes prior to game time. This brings me to my second tip. If you want access to the Centurion Suite, get there early. I recommend being at least 2 hours and 15 minutes early before game time. While it may sound extreme, if you get there 2 hours and 15 minutes early and the arena and the suite both open up 90 minutes before game time, you're really only waiting in line about 45 minutes. Once being admitted at the Star Plaza entrance, you'll be in the general area of aisle M20. You'll see it right there on the screen. Just make an immediate left, and you'll pass by the downtown LA bar on your left-hand side. Just beyond that, you'll see the Star Plaza VIP entrance, and in front of that, there will be a line for American Express cardholders to get their suite tickets where you'll get your wristband. Get in that line immediately to get your Centurion Suite tickets. Once you have your tickets, only then will you and your party be able to get into the queue for the Star Plaza VIP entrance, where they will check your Platinum or your Centurion card to make sure it is active and exchange your Centurion Suite tickets for Centurion Suite wristbands for you and up to 3 guests. Here's a picture of what the wristbands generally look like. Note the tabs on the wristband that say Drink 1 and Drink 2. If you happen to take one of those off before the hostess inside the suite has a chance to remove them, it may void your free drinks, so don't touch them. Leave them alone. If you're thinking about keeping on the wristband to attend another sporting event later on in the week, keep in mind they rotate the colors of the wristbands to ensure accountability and security. Once you have your wristbands at the Star Plaza VIP, you will be directed down this long hallway on the left. Here's some footage of the long hallway. I recommend you don't stop and look at things on the wall because it's first come, first serve seating in the suite. Once you make your way through the hallway, you're going to hang a left and you'll see a staircase. When you see that staircase, you know you're in the right place. You can either go up the staircase or preferably up the escalator, whichever one is less crowded. At the top of the escalator, you'll see the premier tables and lounges at the Yamava Club. When you see this, you know you're on the right track. Keep on going, but you're going to want to hang a left at about right here, and you'll see on the wall there's a sign that says Premium Level B. When you see that sign, go up the staircase and you're almost there to the American Express Centurion Suite. So when you get to the top of the staircase, you will then make a left You will then take a couple of steps, and on your right, there you have it. You have arrived at the entrance of the Centurion Suite. Before we go any further, here are some of my observations and tips about the seating areas to further help you as the walkthrough footage continues. Basically, I break down the suite into 7 standing or seating areas. Remember, there are only about 70 seats for approximately 150 people allowed in. Area 1 is immediately to the left of the entrance and is very small. It is for standing only and can fit 2 to 4 people comfortably. You'll see Area 2 has about 10 seats and has a very good angled view of the court. Both Area 3 and 4 are very similar in layout with about 10 seats each. Area 3 has a slightly better angled view of the court. Area 5 has 2 couches that can fit approximately 5 people each. There's also seating behind each couch. If you or anyone in your party is 5'2" or shorter, the view from the couch can be challenging. Area 6 is the bar with approximately 10 seats. It has a good view, except when the bartender is serving and may obstruct your line of sight. Area 7 is about 10 seats. It is spacious, and you'll see in the footage, it has an excellent angled view of the court, much like Area 2. And now it's time to do a walkthrough. First up, this is Area 1. It can fit 2 to 4 people standing up. Moving forward, this is Area 2. It has seating for 10 people, 8 in chairs and 2 on the love seat. Note there are several designated spaces for wheelchairs and mobility devices. As we move forward, you will see the suite is quite long and spacious. This is Area 3. It has seating for 10 people. I've visited the suite a few times and sat in these chairs for at least 3/4 before I needed to stretch my legs. This is Area 4. The seating is very similar to that in Area 3. The view is almost from behind the backboard. This is Area 5. It has 2 L-shaped sofas that are quite comfortable and fit about 5 people each. Note there are 3 seats behind each sofa. And now we move towards the bar. The bar area is what I call Area 6. The clear benefit in sitting here is the ability to get your drinks quicker rather than having to wait on a server. The bar seats about 10 people. While on the subject of the bar, here's a copy of their menu. In the video's description, I'll put a link as to where you can download it. You can order your food and drinks from wherever you're sitting in the suite. On one night, we enjoyed the classic nachos and added carne asada while we enjoyed our strong mixed drinks. On another night, I ordered their cheeseburger and a beer. Whether it's the nachos or the cheeseburger, both get my recommendation. And now we get to Area 7. I've noticed on several occasions this area is often the least crowded. Note the excellent angled view from Area 7. Time to wrap this up with a tip summary and a few extras. These are 4 key points I've already covered, but here's a few bonus tips. Inside the suite, areas 2, 5, and 7 provide the best views, comfort, or space. If you want to save money, buy the cheapest seats and enjoy the game from the Centurion Suite, which is almost certain to have a closer view. To give you some perspective, this was the view from our $40 seats. So watching the game from the suite can be a no-cost upgrade. If you get your wristband and find that it's crowded at the beginning of the game, consider coming back after the first quarter, or in about 30 minutes. Many come for their free drinks and leave for their better seats. Carry only what you need, such as a wallet and car keys, as it'll help you get through security quicker. Bringing a pocket full of stuff and my camera caused a 30-second delay. Security measured the length of the lens to make sure it was shorter than a credit card. That delay caused 10 people to bypass me and get ahead of me in the line for wristbands. The lesson learned? carry only your essentials. You may want to take a few seconds to pause the screen and take a screenshot of these tips. Thank you all for staying to the end. This has been my review of the American Express Centurion Suite at Crypto.com Arena. If you have enjoyed this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or feedback, leave a comment and I will be sure to answer. And if you have been to the Centurion Suite before, please share your experiences in the comments section as well. Much love to you all. Until next time, my friends. Peace.